living a few years of your life like most people won't, so you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't. Warren G. Tracy, student. Good evening, special guests, respectable members and participants. My name is Shivam Rastogi, and no, I am not Warren G. Tracy or his student. I am an associate member at TiE Lucknow, and I hope that I am audible enough. Well, it is all the intensive work done by Tathastu Events, which is run by Mr. Tarun Dameja, who is also a member at TiE Lucknow. I hope all people have gathered today to learn and expand their horizons, and to explain more about today's event, I would like to invite Mr. Pranav Agarwal, who is also the president of Lucknow TiE, to the dais. Mr. Pranav.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for gracing us with your presence on this Sunday evening. Your participation makes this event truly special. I am Pranav Agarwal, President TiE Lucknow. Now, before we delve into the enriching discussions of our esteemed panelists, I'd like to take a couple of minutes to talk about TiE, what TiE is, and why do we curate sessions such as today's. TiE, also known as the Indus Entrepreneurs, was started in 1992 in the Silicon Valley, where a group of visionaries, successful entrepreneurs, and seasoned professionals hailing from the Indus region came together with a shared mission of fostering entrepreneurship. At the heart of TiE's mission lie 5 pillars, that is mentoring, networking, education, funding, and incubation. Today, with 61 chapters across the world and more than 12,000 members, TiE stands as a beacon of entrepreneurial excellence. Since its inception in 2017, TiE Lucknow chapter has played a pivotal role in nurturing a vibrant ecosystem for startups, entrepreneurs, and business owners in and around Lucknow. India's startup landscape is currently undergoing a remarkable boom, with a plethora of innovative ventures disrupting conventional industries and addressing pressing societal challenges. The surge not only fuels economic growth and generates employment, but also positions India at the center of innovation on the global stage. Today, we have the privilege of learning from 5 bold entrepreneurs who have emerged as leaders in their respective domains remarkably in a short span of time. Their stories of resilience, perseverance, and triumph are bound to inspire and motivate all of us to chase our dreams relentlessly. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you, and I hope that today's session leaves you inspired and empowered to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with renewed vigor and determination. Thank you. I'd like to invite Mr. Shivam Rastogi to introduce the moderator and the panelists.
Hello again. It is a great pleasure to invite our moderator for today's event, Mr. Madhukar Vashne, to the podium. Mr. Vashne owns and runs NimbleQ, which is an entrepreneurship-based skill-building edtech startup, focusing on educating school-going children from as young an age of 5, and has successfully incubated 21 startups with school-going children. I would now like to start introducing our panelists, and I would please humbly and politely request them to walk towards the stage as we start announcing their names. Mr. Yak Saklecha, of over 70 years in the ecosystem. He's a civil engineer from IIT Bombay. Our second panelist is Ms. Vidushi Vajivargia, who is the founder at Isak Fragrances. Ms. Vijayavargia, whose family's name is synonymous with the word fragrance. With over 170 years of experience in the trade, she's an MBA grad who is passionately enthusiastic about bringing up the usage of natural ingredients in everyday purpose. She too was a successful participant at Shark Tank Season 1. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Yashji. Our third panelist is Mr. Soumya Deep Mukherjee, who claimed his victory in Shark Tank Season 2 for his F&B startup, Spice Story. He's an MBA grad with an expertise in delivery systems and integrated. An interesting anecdote about his professional career is his entrepreneur journey that started at the age of 40. Our fourth panelist is Ms. Akriti Rawal, who is a founder at House of Shikankari. She studied strategic marketing at Imperial College London. Her entrepreneur journey was initiated and fueled by her mother. She too backed her claim at Shark Tank Season 2. I would now like to invite our final and fifth panelist, Mr. Nitin Vishwas, who is the founder at Moonshine Meadery. He's a traditional MBA grad with umpteen years of pharma sales experience. His passion about his startup can be gauged on the basis that he dropped all of his daily life and his very lucrative professional career and traveled to Pennsylvania to learn the nitty and gritties of the wine industry. With the deepest respect point in my heart, I would like to thank all our panelists and our moderator, and I would like to hand the podium over to Mr. Madhukar Varshney.
Good afternoon. So let's ask one question to our panelists. How Lucknowite they are? How many have you gone to Tunde? Raise your hand. No explanation. Okay, so you are a citizen of Shark Tank. Has been a big, showcase for us, big glamour. But I'm sure everyone has their own story around it, right? What we don't know is behind the scene, right? So let me start. Can I pull up first question, please, Gaurav? First question, please. Let me have some knowledge from our audience. So you have to go on your cell phone, go to menti.com. Everyone, please. Menti.com and put up this code. Okay? Menti.com, put up this code, and I'm asking a question to all of you. Which cities do most of the founders come from? Just type. And let's see where the panelists are coming from. I'm not telling you anything more than that over here. Let's see कि ये लोग कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. आपका guess क्या है? So menti.com, MENTI, and code is 61349300. Okay, Indore, Pune, Mumbai. Come on, there are more than 7 responses. I need at least 70. 16, 17, 70. It has to go to 70. Everyone has to pick up. So you have to go to menti.com and you have to use code 61349300. Bangalore, Mumbai is standing out. All right, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, 3 are standing out. All right. Now we can, perfect. All right. So let's see, I think. Thank you. We can wait a little longer. People are still putting up. Okay. All right. So Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. Just remember, panelists don't say anything about it. And what is this one? Oh, Lucknow. What? Sudhanshu, we are right. All right. Next question, please. Who among these have an MBA degree? Okay, guess. So what is happening? You have 5 answers to give. You can give only 1 or 2. You are not compelled to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whosoever you think by their face, you have to tell, or your social media knowledge. All right. Who is MBA? Then we'll ask them. Okay. So Akriti, you are MBA. Okay. If you are not, then we'll give you a degree today. Okay. Soumyadeep. See what he's doing for MBA degree. See. All right. So how many answers? Akriti, you are standing out. You look like MBA. You don't have to. You look like MBA. I don't know. How come? No, you don't have to. No. Keep it secret. Soumyadeep, come on, Soumyadeep, you're moving up. Oh, you're fighting with Akriti. Okay, all right. Fifth, Nitin. I'm sorry. दारू का धंधा है, MBA को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. All right? अच्छा ये समझ गए होंगे. अच्छा all right, my last question. Please put up the next one. So Soumyadeep, they were fighting. They are putting you up on the MBA. By the way, you are MBA now. Okay, whether you accept it or not. Whose family is working with the founder? Let's see. Akriti, Vidushi. Let's say whose family members. When I say family means parents, next generation. ये इतने बड़े तो नहीं है जो इनकी next generation काम करेगी अभी. ये सारे यंग ही दिख रहे हैं मुझे तो, ठीक है कि नहीं? तो हो सकता है इनके पेरेंट्स, ब्रदर, हस्बैंड, कोई भी काम कर रहा हो, उसकी बात कर रहा हूं मैं। विदुषी, आकृति, ओके, स्टैंडिंग आउट देयर, नॉट मूविंग एनीथिंग। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। ऑलराइट, लेट्स मूव ऑन। थैंक यू, आई एम डन विद दिस थिंग, थैंक यू। So you are MBA, you are also MBA, good to know that. All right. So let me start. What I'm going to do, I will ask one question to you, and I will go to each one of you. 1 minute, so that I ask more questions. All right. So let me start about what is your background, what city are you from? All right. And I'll ask what is the educational background. Just half a minute question. To start from that side. Yes. We can pick up mic and share, please. Share is care.
Hi guys, pleasure being here. So I am originally from Ajmer, but born and brought up in Mumbai. I've lived my entire life in Mumbai, and I am an engineer by degree. I did my civil engineering from IIT Bombay.
Perfect. Let's moving on to Vidushi.
Okay, born and brought up in Lucknow.
Oh,
Married in Ajmer, living in Pune.
so that was a Lucknow, big Lucknow that came on the screen. All right.
And yes, I did my MBA.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Moving on to Swamidi.
Grew up in Indore, living in Bombay, traveled across Middle East Africa, and yes, guilty of being an MBA. And I've done my bioscience and then management. Yes.
Perfect. So he's MBA for sure. All right. Now over to you, Akriti.
Hi everyone, I'm Akriti. I'm born and raised in New Delhi, all my life, did my schooling there. I went for my undergrad to King's College London, and then I did my masters, not my MBA. I don't know if it would be equal. I don't think it would be equivalent because it would be disrespectful to all those who've done their MBA. But yeah, I do have a masters in marketing from Imperial College London, and post which I worked with a fashion startup for about a year before starting House of Chicken Curry with my mom in 2020.
Perfect. Thank you. Nitin, over to you.
So hi, my name is Nitin. I am one of the. Sorry, that's the standard introduction. Sorry.
It's not a pitch
So I
party.
grew
There-
up
there are
in
no funding
Haldia
agency over
and I
there.
hail from Mysore, so I spent some time in Mysore as well. I am a mechanical engineer and an MBA from the Indian School of Business, Hyderabad.
Now, second question. Starting from there. So, have you worked somewhere? Obviously, most of people might have looking at you. But tell me quickly, like, where did you work? How many years did you work? And before starting this thing, did you quit or just say it, quit or not? Quickly.
So I did a job for about 6 months after college, and after that I joined my family business where I worked with my dad for about a year's time. And since the past 4-5 years, I've been in the creator influencer space. Earlier we were doing something else, then we pivoted to doing Wild from 2021.
Very nice. Thank you. Vidushi, over to you.
So post my MBA, I did some research in Switzerland and France, and then I started my business in chicken curry. Did that for about 5 years prior to starting ISAC.
Thank you. Soumya.
So overall 20 years of experience with brands like Coke, Red Bull, Denon Waters. And yeah, I quit my job in 28. 40 साल की उम्र हो रही थी. अब नहीं होगा तो फिर कभी नहीं होगा ये सोचा था. 5 years being an entrepreneur now.
Vidushi. Oh, sorry. So I have to train myself. It will be
So
trained.
I think I've done a lot of internships in my undergrad to figure out what is it that I want to do, because up until my undergrad I had no clue what is it that I'm good at, which led me to marketing for my masters, because I figured that this is what I like doing, this is what I am passionate about. I did my masters, post my masters worked with a fashion startup like I said for a year, left it in COVID to research on my own business and build a brand of my own. Tried social media, building a social media agency, tried a couple of products here and there for 7-8 months. And then through my mom and with the help of my mom, came across chicken curry because of an embroider that she was personally involved with for her work, and led me to chicken curry. And I think I just fell in love with the art form, and that's
Thank you.
the story.
Thank you.
So I have about 13 years before I jumped into entrepreneurship. Worked with McKinsey, worked with Abbott and L&T, and 6 years with Moonshine.
So I will range from 6 months to internship to 30 years. 13.
13 plus 6.
How much?
20.
He's a
20. So he's the most senior. So that is a recipe. I think you can note it down. Recipe. You can be from. Do we know anyone who jumped out of college and be here?
Enough in the last 2 years.
Enough life to Okay, the parents are warned about it. You know, you can't force if they can be like them. Alright? So now moving on to. So one thing, you know, I like to get a story from you before I jump into Shark Tank. Whatever currently you are doing, like over here, is it in line to what you've been trained? Right? Just simple question. What made you work on this product, what you're currently working on? Just that question, you know, is it in line to what you're trained? By your job, by your education, and how come this product, what you are currently working on?
So I think marketing is a space where there are very few engineers or tech people overall. And so that surprises people even more that I got into the space. I've done civil engineering and there's absolutely no correlation or connection with whatever I'm currently doing in social media. So completely different answering.
So but you are working, जैसे आपने कहा कि credit card है, debit card है, wild card, right? Something different. आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो कि आप इन्फ्लुएंसर बन गए हो यहाँ पर और किसी का ब्रांड प्रमोट कर रहे हो, कल आप साबुन लेकर आ रहे हो हाथ में, कभी फ्रेगनेंस लेकर आ रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. आप जो कर रहे हो, it is more than. So how did you think about this product, what you are doing? And if you can tell a little bit about your product to the audience.
Sure. So I'll show you my product as well.
So we can have credit cards, all of us? Come on, you have to do it. Only 70.
1,000 plus followers only.
No, we will follow you. You are more than that, right?
Yeah. So basically, these are our cards. These are the wild cards. The concept behind our business is that we believe everyone has a circle of influence, and we are turning. And for brands, we believe that there can't be any better marketeer than your own customers. So what we are basically doing is turning customers into marketeers. And how it works is anyone with 1,000 plus followers on Instagram can apply for this card. And using this card, whatever lifestyle spends they do, whether they are going out for a dinner, buying something online, buying fragrances, clothes, food, anything that is there, spend with this card. Give a story shout out to the brands you are interacting with or purchasing from. Tag the brand, and for doing that, based on what kind of reach you have, you get anywhere between 30 to 100% cashback on your spend, right? So for brands, it's a win-win that you turn your customers into your advocates, and our users get the best deals and rewards everywhere.
One catch is there, I didn't tell you. Here's a waiting list of 6 lakh influencer, by the way. Waiting list of 6 lakh influencers in the line to get this card. Right, so please think about it. I mean, you are the co-founder. You can at least give 70 or 80 over here before you leave. Only we are asking 70. Doesn't matter. Create some research work, some experiment.
WildFam is the referral code to get early access.
That's a good thing actually. At least we crossed that 6 lakh. Over to you. Next, please. Vidushi, so tell me, how come currently what you are doing? Like I know you are 170 years, by the way. Agar kisi ne suna na ho, 170 years of business family doing this business, and she is from that business. I think it's like iconic. I'm sitting in front of
Fragrance icon.
Fragrance icon. Right? So please, it's an honor. It's an honor. I mean, looking at 170 years, people are continuing their work. It's a struggle, but people survive and they just make it end. So tell me about you. How come? I know that you are simply, but tell your story. How you are involved into this business from day one.
So as a kid, I used to spend a lot of time with my father, and frankly, I was an introvert. So my father used to take me to his store, and the objective was I'll talk to customers and learn to share and interact with people. In the process, I was 8, 9 years old. I learned a lot. Frankly, at that point of time, I didn't know that this could be something that I would be seriously pursuing. After doing my MBA, my wedding took me to Switzerland. I stayed there for a while, and it was a natural pull. So I did my research. I found out things about perfumery. I was always fascinated to that world since I've grown up around it.
And the one thing that struck me always was the kind of work that we're doing in India, and not just my family, but there are so many beautiful perfumers in India. Why aren't we talking about it? These are exclusive, rare, beautiful ingredients. And the kind of perfumery that we're used to, we are not even talking about it. While the products available in Switzerland and France being sold for 300 USD, they are not even close to the kind of work that we do in India. And I think that was the, dimag ki batti jalna. Let's talk more about Indian perfumery. Let's bring it to the forefront. And the first thing that helped me start was educating Indians themselves. ज़रूरी नहीं अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट इंडिया का है तो उसकी क्वालिटी ख़राब ही होगी. येस, आई फेस दोज इशूज़ इनिशियली अ लॉट वेयर एवरीबडी सेड दैट नहीं ये तो इंडिया का है. इट वुडंट बी कंपेरेबल टू से अ लुई विटॉन, बट टुडे वी हैव कस्टमर्स वेयर इसक इज केप्ट अलॉन्ग विद अ डियोर और अ लुई विटॉन. सो नाउ इट took me some while to change that perspective, but it was very, very crucial. Shark Tank was a great platform to share the story and take it forward. Today we are shipping across the world, and I'm proudly presenting Indian perfumery in its very unique style, our very unique flora and fauna that we are rich in and that we are sharing with the rest of the world. I'm very, very happy and proud to share it with everybody.
एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा मैं आपसे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. आप जब परफ्यूम मतलब जब परफ्यूम सूंघते हो आपको पता चल जाए कहाँ शनेल नहीं, डुप्लीकेट शनेल, नो इंडियन शनेल, राइट. फर्स्ट रेन इज योर फर्स्ट वन. सो अगर सोते में आपके नाक से कोई निकाल देता है, आप क्या उसका प्रैक्टिस बोलने लगते हो? कितना प्रैक्टिस है?
So yes, at least थोड़ा बहुत तो जानेंगे कि this is fresh or this is something that I would wear in the evening, or how do I recreate it, something like this. So yes.
Perfect. So Soumya, coming to you, I mean चटनी मसाला सब खाते हैं, हर एक जगह चलता है. 30 years of experience in distribution and marketing, what not you have done, traveled abroad. How come? It's a good thing. I mean, you're selling it, you have a great product. But how come chutney and masala?
So, मुझे ये तो तय था कि मुझे फूड में कुछ करना है, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू डू समथिंग विच इज़ सीजन एग्नोस्टिक. मैं बेवरेज में रहा था, तो यू सी दी क्रेस्ट एंड ट्रफ ऑन बेवरेज. गर्मियों में बहुत तेज होता है, सर्दियों में कम हो जाता है. और दूसरा मैंने ये भी अपने एक्सपीरियंस से देखा था कि मुझे एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं करना है जिसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एजुकेशन करना पड़े कि बहुत ही कर क्या रहा हूँ, राइट. सो मैंने थोड़ा मार्केट रिसर्च किया. मैंने देखा कि हिंदुस्तान के हर कल्चर में वी हैव ग्रोन विद आवर शेयर ऑफ पिकल्स एंड चटनीज. आप कहीं भी चले इंडियन प्लेस में अचार और चटनी आप भागे बड़े होंगे. पिछले 100 सालों में क्या हुआ है कि अचार तो ऑर्गेनाइज हो गया. मतलब देर आर ब्रांड्स जो 50, 60 साल, 70 साल पुरानी हैं इंडिया में, अचार की कंपनियां हैं जो अचार ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही हैं. पचरंगा फॉर एग्जांपल इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट अचार ब्रांड्स. You have Kunal here from Aurora Achar, one of the oldest achar brands here. So, किसी ने चटनी ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं की इंडिया में. सो मुझे जब काम करना था तो हमारे दो चैलेंजेस होते हैं. पहली बात तो हाउ डू यू स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द क्राउड. दुकानदार आपको लेगा क्यों, राइट. तो अगर मैं मसाले लेके जाता या अचार लेके जाता तो आई वुड हैव बीन वन ऑफ दी 1000 ब्रांड्स. बट चूंकि देयर वाज नोबडी इन दी कैटेगरी, जो मैं ऑलरेडी बड़ा कैटेगरी है जिसको मैं ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा था, मेरे लिए फुट इन द डोर आसान था. दुकान में जाना आसान था. कस्टमर को पता है प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, कभी अवेलेबल नहीं था, आज अवेलेबल करवा दिया. तो ये मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस था. इसीलिए हेंस चटनीज. एंड आई प्राउडली से दैट वी स्टार्टेड दी चटनी कैटेगरी इन इंडिया. हमारे बाद वी हैव एन ईमेल फ्रॉम डाबर सेइंग कैन यू मेक फॉर अस, राइट. वी टुडे हैव द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट रेंज ऑफ इंडियन चटनीज इन अ मॉडर्न सॉस फॉर्म. So we do something from each region of the country. We have the world's first coconut chutney in a bottle, which is not chilled, ambient temperature पे, with a shelf life of 10 months.
Lot of food technology.
We have worked hard. We have got this.
Such a great contribution to organize this sector and come up with something.
मतलब the first one bleeds the most. I'm bruised, but I'm saying, but it's good. Yeah, it's a happy space to be in. It's good. अगर मैं ये नहीं करता तो शायद मैं आज इस जगह बैठा भी नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
सिर्फ मसाले कर रहा तो शायद अब ना बुलाता.
So did you get his point? Foot in the door. घुघरू चटनी बेचना, अब मसाला भी बेचे हैं, कल ये जाके चाय की पत्ती भी बेचे ना वाव बकरी की जगह, तो भी इनकी चाय चलेगी।
है मतलब हमने 8 दिन पहले भी लॉन्च स्टार मसालास एंड आउट ऑफ 700 स्टोर्स इन बॉम्बे 200 स्टोर्स ऑलरेडी टेकन इट इन सेइंग कि बॉस अच्छा चल रख के जा मैं देखता हूँ, बिकॉज दे आर द रिलेशनशिप विद देम ऑलरेडी फॉर द लास्ट 2 years that we have built with them.
So entrepreneurs, I think these questions they will resonate very well with you who are trying to get go-to-market strategy, new markets over here. Now coming back to thank you so much. Such a good information that we got. Akriti, tell me about yourself. I know that how come. You're a foreigner to Lucknow, but you are doing Lucknow thing. It's a good thing, but how come?
So honestly, I think I was one of those entrepreneurs जो hunt कर रहे होते हैं आइडिया के लिए. मेरे पास एक दिन one fine day आइडिया आया नहीं था. I was very actively at the age of 13-14. I used to just tell my mother कि मेरे को अपना ही कुछ करना है. And when I was in first second year in college, when my friends were applying for jobs, I was applying for internships to learn to start my business. So I was very clear in my head, but only vocal to my mother about it. I used to not say it openly.
Is she here with us today?
She's not here. She's in Delhi today. But तो कहीं ना कहीं वो थॉट मेरे दिमाग में बहुत embedded थी. And I think I don't know, the excitement was probably very different to what it's today. I think आज मेरी excitement, passion, impact, काम, team उन सब चीज़ों से आती है. But उस टाइम पर आती थी अपना freedom मिलने. To be very real, right? So that is what it was. And when I left my job, 10 महीने I was working with a fashion startup, and I worked with a startup to learn कि हर चीज़ के बारे में थोड़ा सीखने को मिल जाएगा. And when COVID hit, काम बहुत कम हो गया था वहाँ पर, because it was a rental platform, rental clothing. So COVID में उनका business बहुत impacted था. So I decided कि यहाँ पर अब काम इतना कम हो गया, I need to use my time better. And what better time to research and learn about my own thing and find an idea. So I spoke to my parents, and having the privilege, to leave a job, my parents really supported it. So I think that is also a privilege. उस time पर कि I could leave it and take the leap. So उस time पर मैंने 6-7 महीने I think बहुत YouTube videos देखी about drop shipping, क्या business हो सकता है, like product. अलीबाबा की पूरी website छान मारी कि कोई product मिल जाए मुझे, क्योंकि I was very confident कि मैं brand बना लूँगी. I knew that I am very social media savvy, digitally savvy. My degree is in marketing. I understand customer, but I need the right product. And the biggest criteria for me was that product needs to have a purpose. That was my internal criteria. कि जब तक मुझे वो purpose strong नहीं दिखेगा, I will not go for it. And I think that was one thing I had very sorted in my head कि purpose दिखना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक तो यही 6-7 महीने की जर्नी चलती रही. बीच में मैंने सोशल मीडिया एजेंसी भी बनाई थी अपनी. 3 क्लाइंट्स मिले थे मुझे जिन्होंने आई थिंक विद माई फ्रेंड्स ओनली आई स्टार्टेड वेरी मिनी स्केल. 4 ब्रांड्स के मेरे लोगो बने हैं. मैं लोगो स्टेज तक पहुंच के आई हैव नॉट गॉन थ्रू.
Did they pay you?
Yeah, they paid me. But करते I realized I'm not getting the kind of work I want to do. जो मैं अपने ब्रांड के साथ कर सकती हूँ, मुझे वो नहीं satisfaction हो रही. Then I think 4-5 और products के logos बना लिए मैंने. सब वो logo stage तक पहुँच के, I would then get like not confident about the product. So like वो अपने आप हो रहा था. I was in that zone to find the idea where one find after 7 months. जब एक एम्ब्रॉयडर का मेरी मॉम को कॉल आया था कि आप एक्स्ट्रा वर्क मुझे दे दो क्योंकि मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है कोविड में. That led me to just researching about hand embroidery. That led me to coming across chikankari. Then I asked my mother, show me your chikankari kurtas. And the biggest thing was when she showed me, I think I just fell in love with the art form. And the first thought in my head was that हमेशा दादी या मॉम बोलते हैं कि चिकन के सूट्स चाहिए या लखनऊ से लाएंगे. A 24-23-year-old like me is not thinking कि चिकनकारी का कुछ मैं पहन सकती हूँ क्योंकि वो सिर्फ synonymous बन चुका है एक चिकन के सूट से. It is an art form that can be taken to any product. Then why is the thought of the art form being related to just a suit? वो शर्ट में भी बन सकता है, वो ड्रेस में भी बन सकता है. एंड वो ऑनलाइन भी नहीं आया है, बहुत अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, सिर्फ ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स में है. Hardly 2-3 brands were doing it online at the time and still at a very, I would say, smaller scale. So बस वो जो purpose I was finding, I think I found a very strong purpose. It's artisanal, deep rooted in our Indian roots, and it just made sense that if I can convince myself to buy a chicken curry product, I can do it with a whole generation of millennials or Gen Z. So That's how it started.
Very nice. I'm sure you are connected with, I think, 100 plus artisans right now.
Yeah, so we have a team of 100 people in Delhi. The artisan clusters were connected with our over 5K around the villages of Lucknow through our
Very nice.
partners.
Very
And in Delhi, our team is about 100 people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're contributing to the economy of life. Moving on to Nitin. Nitin, tell me, ये दारू वारू बनाने का सिलसिला मतलब, यहाँ पर और भी काफ़ी लोग होंगे, क्या मतलब, या इसको कैसे मतलब क्या क्या करें, कैसे करें, मतलब कब आपसे मिले?
Okay, so I wanted to be a chef, or as my mother, when I told her when I was in 10th standard I want to go to IHM Aurangabad, she said, "You cook banega?" So I said, "नहीं, chef बनूंगा." So then I was reminded that my great grandfather, grandfather, and father are engineers. So they said, "Now you guess what you should become." I said, "Engineer." So I became a mechanical engineer. And post which I was in consulting. I was doing infrastructure manufacturing. McKinsey, we are sent after 4 years of spending time in McKinsey. When McKinsey thinks you're ready for a promotion, they send you down to the Alps, literally, and ask you to think, are you ready to take on this role? So it was a 1 week conversation that happens with ex-McKinsey folks, and on that flight to the Alps, I read about London's first meadery. And all of us have this, right? कि एक बार मतलब microbrewery गए, 4 pint down, मैं भी beer बनाऊंगा. So we were already in that zone. So read about mead, photograph लिया उसका, BlackBerry तब था. तो BlackBerry से अपने दोस्त को भेजा. But this friend of mine and I, we've been friends for 37 years. So he saw it and we started to research. So mead से शब्द आया, मेदू से शब्द आया, मधु, फिर सरणी मधीरा, मधुशाला, सोमरस का कनेक्शन निकल के आया. So we realized, okay, so we're doing something really different. कैसे बनाते हैं कोई आइडिया नहीं है, वो भी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर है. तो हम लोगों ने घर पे शहद के साथ शुरू किया एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. And those experiments went to a stage where we soon found ourselves going to excise office. And उसके पहले the only connection with government had been, RTO गए, SBI, probably that was the worst experience we probably had with it. First time we went and met excise. And we don't come from political backgrounds, we don't all service class background as well. So when we first went and said mead बनाना है, the first answer we got was mead करके कोई category नहीं. So सबसे पहले cabinet से आपको approval लेना है. So my journey didn't start with a license, it started with the law. And that slowly and steadily went to a stage because friends who were getting free pints suddenly were willing to buy it. तो हम लोग ने barter शुरू कर दिया था. But my wife is Gujarati, so she said, "Why don't you sell it?" So I started to sell it, which was all illegal. But then slowly over time we got a new law made. Thankfully, in fact, UP has one of the best laws for fruit and meat, might read today. But now 6 states in India, in fact, central government issues 5 crores of grant if any of you want to set up a mead winery. But the whole journey started with a simple arzi back in 2016 with the state of Maharashtra.
So wife's mind being Gujarati and your perseverance to change the law made it happen.
Our perseverance, Rohan and me both.
Thank you. Now I think let me come to the Shark Tank, right? तो मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि Shark Tank के लिए आपको who forced you, or do you think you are ready to go for it? Yes, तो जाते हैं. Benefit बाद में करेंगे. Don't tell about what you get out of it. I just want to see that storyline. I want to keep some story hidden over here and disclose slowly, धीरे धीरे करके सारी एक चीज़ बता देंगे तो क्या फ़ायदा होगा. तो आप ये बताइए सिर्फ कि शार्क टैंक के लिए किसने आपको कहा. यश से शुरू करते हैं. कैसे आपने, व्हाई डिड यू अप्लाई, हु आस्क्ड यू और हु फोर्स्ड यू, हु इनवाइटेड यू?
So we recently only came on Shark Tank season 3. So I think for us, these guys were the inspiration. Like we saw too many success
So
stories.
these were the culprits.
So yeah, we saw many success stories on Shark Tank, right? And building a consumer brand, we always, it is definitely a great platform, right? So for us, Aman had invested in us in 2021, even before Shark Tank. So इसके लिए we were always thinking whether we should apply or not. Aman is already there. We knew a lot of other people also. But then for season 3, we got a call directly from the Shark Tank team saying that, why don't you guys also apply this, that our applications are open and all. And we ended up applying and the process started. Then I think, applications are there, mock interviews are there and all of that.
Perfect. Vidushi?
Okay, I went to season 1, so frankly we didn't have anything to know कि Shark Tank India आ भी रहा है.
Shark Tank US was there, right, for you?
So Shark Tank US diligently follow करते थे every year. Both me and my husband were, every साल एकदम seriously देखते थे. While I'm not somebody who watches a lot of television. Incidentally, I was in Lucknow in 2021 and my grandfather के room में television चल रहा था some match. My husband was also there. He was sitting there and he saw an ad from Sony saying Shark Tank is coming to India. I was somewhere, I was in my office and he came and told that, Shark Tank is coming to India. I said, wow, that's so good for India, it's coming to India. He said, and you've got to apply. I'm like, I was frozen. I said, I'm not going to Shark Tank. He said, no, you've got to apply. I said, there's hardly any business that we are doing right now. We're so young. Why would anybody even invest in us? He said, no, you've got to apply. And we started from scratch. I didn't know what valuation is. I didn't know, GP, NP, CP1, CP2. I didn't know anything. But then I learned everything while I was applying for the process. And yes, before I knew it, I was there at Shark Tank India season 1.
Perfect. Soumya?
So हम थोड़े fortunate थे. So Shark Tank India जब India आया, तो Venture Catalyst was the team that got it to India. So सोनी के साथ उनका पार्टनरशिप था. तो हमको 21 में VCAT से फंड किया था. And then we were invited from Venture Catalyst to present to the Shark Tank team. तो हमने क्या प्रेजेंट किया उन लोगों ने और हम आ गए. फिर हमें नहीं बुलाया उन्होंने. तो हमें लगा हमारा नहीं हुआ होगा. एंड देन सीजन 2 में सोनी अगेन कॉल्ड अप एंड सोनी ने बताया कि यू हैव बीन शॉर्टलिस्टेड, आप प्लीज़ आइए. एंड दे हैड शॉर्टलिस्टेड सम 60 ब्रांड्स विच जस्ट स्प्लिट बिटवीन सीजन 1 एंड सीजन 2 एंड दे सेड कि आप आइए. यू हैव टू गो गिव द ऑडिशन बट यू हैव टू क्लियर द ऑडिशन बट देयर वाज नो एप्लीकेशन एंड देयर वाज नो टेस्ट एंड ऑल. सो ऑडिशन दिया हमने, वी क्लियर्ड एंड देन फिर तो कॉमन प्रोसेस है सबका. फिर देन देयर इज अ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस एंड ऑल. दैट्स ऑल.
Akriti?
I think I was a really lost case. Like I don't watch television at all. I do watch like Netflix and stuff sometimes, but I know what I want to watch.
YouTube किस पे देखते थे आप? इतने सारे YouTube.
सिर्फ YouTube. जो मेरे को पता है मुझे देखना है. Like if I want to, I know कि मुझे ये चीज़ से knowledge लेनी है या ये show जो मेरे interest का है. I'm very search based on TV. तो मैं बहुत unaware अपनी दुनिया में ही lost रहती हूँ. So I knew Shark Tank season 1 आया है, but I had not honestly seen Shark Tank US भी मैंने बहुत साल पहले लाइफ में कभी देखा होगा. I was so busy in my own thing, I just didn't realize. And in the midst of all this, Shark Tank 2 के applications खुले and हमारी टीम में एक member थे, उन्होंने मुझे बताया and he said कि आप apply करो. And I don't know, मेरे को लाइफ में नहीं लगता था कि Shark Tank India रियल होगा या मेरा सिलेक्शन हो सकता है. I just put them off saying कि guys ये सब चीज़ों का टाइम नहीं है, अभी स्टार्टअप पे फोकस करते हैं. क्या तुम एप्लीकेशन, इतना लंबा एप्लीकेशन है एंड दिस इज ऑल नॉट रियल, इट्स डजंट हैपन, लाइफ डजंट चेंज लाइक दिस. ये सब तुम टीवी पे अच्छा लगता है. लाइक दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट रिएक्शन बिकॉज I was really unaware, I would say, right? And so this happened and they really pressured me, 2 people in my team, कि नहीं आपको नहीं पता. They knew someone from season 1 जो आए थे and they knew their success story and convinced me, giving their example कि आप करो, we know them, it was life changed for them. So I said okay, then you guys fill the application. देख लेना नहीं होगा, then we'll talk. So you fill the first application, then we'll see. This was how the first conversation 1 year before our episode happened. This was Jan-Feb 2021. And then 3-4 months later, the process, you get a video round and then you get a Delhi audition, 3rd round, then final pitch day and then airing. ये पूरे 11-12 महीने का process था. और I think where it actually hit me and I got serious and I wanted it was the Delhi audition stage. Because I went and I really met, I think, amazing startups who were all auditioning, and my mom and our whole perspective of Shark Tank changed from there because some of the startups we met there really inspired us of the impact that they were making. And it just, when I met real people like us who were, in that journey, it made me realize that, okay, this is like, we can actually get selected. And there are people who are doing such big things and we're standing amongst them in, 1.5 years into our journey. Something is right? So then I think I started like really wanting it badly. That's the stage after the Delhi audition. But आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता होता 3-4 दिन पहले तक कि आपको पिच के लिए बुलाएंगे बॉम्बे में कि नहीं, कि आपका एपिसोड आएगा कि नहीं. So you have to be hopeful but yet not extremely hopeful. So that's, I think, a challenge with the Shark Tank क्योंकि 3 दिन पहले ही सब पता चलता है. So yeah, that was our journey.
तो उसके लिए आप अपनी इन्वेंट्री भी मेंटेन नहीं कर सकते. कब इन्वेंट्री? 1 महीने बाद करूँ, 4 महीने बाद करूँ? एंटरप्रेन्योर के पास वैसे ही नहीं होता पैसा स्टॉक अप करने के लिए. हाँ, नितिन, ओवर टू यू.
So for us, so I never followed US Shark Tank either, and I had no clue that India Shark Tank is happening. However, my founding team member who head sales for us, Yogesh, was an avid follower of Shark Tank US and was aware kuch ho raha hai. We are a Shark Tank season 1 brand. So we were driving back from Bombay after a bunch of sales calls to Pune, and he said you have to apply. And from Lonavala till Pune, it's about 1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes में he kept relentlessly getting after my life saying मेरे sales का काम कम कर, please go and apply for Shark Tank. So finally on a phone I opened the application and I started to fill it only on the phone. So from Talegaon to Pune was where I filled the application and I just hit send, and by the time I reached home, and that is how we ended up.
परफेक्ट. सो अगर मैं कंक्लूड करूँ यहाँ पर तो देखें, he didn't apply, she was not convinced, he said he was convinced, Soumya, okay, it's not interesting and I have to work. He also work on the sales. So I think कोई ना कोई पुश करने वाला होता है. अगर हम एवरेज लें, 80% people need to be pushed, only 20% are self motivated to apply, right? So statistical information so that you get. ठीक है, अब वो करते हैं थोड़ा सा ड्रामा. ऐसा तो नहीं जो हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर होता है. तो क्या ड्रामा होता है पीछे की तरफ? जब तक आपको मतलब इसके पीछे जब आप खड़े होते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा सा ड्रामा बताएं क्या चलता है वहाँ पर. वो हमें नहीं दिखता, कुछ भी नहीं, हमें कुछ नहीं दिखता ना, वो सारी चीज़ें कुछ वो पता चले कि पीछे का ड्रामा क्या होता है. तो किस बस 2-3 मिनट थोड़ी सी स्टोरी शेयर करें, पीछे ड्रामा क्या चल रहा था और आपको आगे कैसे फेंका गया, कैसे पता चला. तो उसका हम टाइम कम कर देंगे. या एक्चुअली बाय द वे, अगर आप लोगों का टाइम है, 2 people are staying here, Soumya and 1 more person, okay, Vidushi. If you want to stay here after the event, you can get in touch with them, but please mention your name with Gaurav or someone over there so that at least they are not overcrowded. Just an information, they are staying here after the event. If you want to talk to them 1-to-1, please put your name somewhere with a over here registration desk. Put your name, all right, so that we can engage them. Over to you again. Yes. Yeah.
So I think Shark Tank being a national show, one of the requirements they have is you got to speak in Hindi. And हम लोग का टेक स्टार्टअप है and you know building something social media savvy ये सब, we had been used to pitching Wild only in English. And Shark Tank पे जाके Wild को हिंदी में समझाना, social media वाली चीज़ें हिंदी में समझाना was a little challenging. And number 2, like another co-founder of mine, he is from Kerala, lived abroad most of his life, etc. तो उसके लिए भी हिंदी was very very challenging. तो I think सबसे पहला हमारा चैलेंज तो ये आया कि अब पूरी जो पिच है उसको, पूरी पिच को, नंबर्स को, ये सब को लाइक यू नो ट्रांसलेटिंग इनटू हिंदी, बिकॉज ऑटोमेटिकली वो इंग्लिश में अपन बात करते हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज वन थिंग. एंड we were one of the first ones to pitch that day, and we were just rehearsing a pitch outside, and suddenly the team comes in and they're like, you know, you guys are up next, right? So without any heads up or anything, we directly got pushed on stage. But it was a phenomenal experience, matlab, on stage as well.
So what do they ask you over there? Like, you know, you have to dance in front of it, you have to speak out loud. हमें क्या करने के लिए कहते हैं वो? हमें तो आप जो करते हो सामने दिखता है, लेकिन वो क्या कहते हैं आपको करने के लिए जो आप नहीं करना चाहते हो?
अरे हम खुद कुछ अलग अलग यूनिक चीजें करना चाहते हैं ताकि ज़्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम मिले, ज़्यादा अटेंशन मिले. तो
क्रिएटिव टीम आपसे क्या कराती है, वो क्या कहते हैं आपको करने के लिए?
Yes, so Sony's team actually is that way very very helpful in terms of like you know helping you ideate what to pitch, what people like on TV and all of that. तो ऐसे तो हमारे इसमें कुछ ऐसे बहुत यूनिक सा कुछ तो नहीं हुआ था. And we had worn very very flashy clothes. That was one very unique thing that we did. TV पे अच्छा दिखता है, स्क्रीन पे अच्छा दिखता है. And
तो कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आपको कुछ उन्होंने फोर्स करा, नहीं भाई आपको अमिताभ बच्चन की आवाज़ में बोलना है, इस तरीके से कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, सिंपल आप जाओ आ गया बस पेश करो.
यस, हमारा तो नॉर्मल पिच ही था.
चलो और किसी का हो सकता है स्टोरी हो. विदुषी, आपकी कोई ऐसी स्टोरी बिहाइंड द सीन जो कि आपको ऐसा लगा जो आप नहीं करना चाह रहे हो, उन्होंने आपको करने के लिए कहा हो, आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो या खुश हुए हो? आई विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की आगे क्या हुआ, पीछे की बात करते हैं पहले.
तो मैं पहली बार पिच करने जा रही थी एंड दे वाज डायरेक्टली शार्क्स. मेरे माइंड में एक चीज़ थी, सब टीवी पे आने वाला है एंड आई हैव टू शेयर सो मच अबाउट द ब्रांड. आई वाज रियली नर्वस एंड बिजनेस के बारे में सब पता था. तो अब डे एंड नाइट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, सब पता था. बट शार्क टैंक वालों ने बोला आप लखनऊ से हो, शेर तो बनता है. तो बिफोर माई पिच, वी आर गिवन 3 minutes का टाइम जिसमें हमें पिच करना होता है अपना आइडिया टू द शार्क्स. दे सेड कि आप अपना स्टार्ट ही शेयर से करो. एंड माई प्रॉब्लम वॉज, उन्होंने एक अच्छा सा मेरे लिए जो रेलिवेंट शेयर था उन्होंने मुझे बना के दिया, बट बोला आपको बोलना होगा. मुझे याद ही नहीं हो रहा था वो. मुझे पिच भी याद है, आई नो व्हाट टू से, बट शेयर नहीं याद हो रहा. सो व्हाइल आई एम स्टैंडिंग देयर कि अब आपको जाना है ना, तहजीब नज़ाकत, तहजीब नज़ाकत, तहजीब, बच्चों की तरह मैं बस उसको याद करी कि जिससे कि मैं भूल ना जाऊँ. एंड आई एम, बिकॉज दैट इज माई ओपनिंग लाइन एंड आई हैव टू, 4 लाइनें मुझे बोलती थी, ही नहीं थी वो. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रिपीट दोज लाइन्स.
तो आज बोल सकते हैं क्या? आज बोल सकते हैं क्या? मतलब कोई प्रेशर नहीं, आराम से भूल भी जाएंगे, हम रुक जाएंगे, सुन लेंगे. 4 लाइनें सुनाइए आप प्लीज.
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल व्हाट दे रोट एंड हम लोग सबके लिए बहुत रेलेवेंट है. सो इट गोज लाइक, तहजीब और नज़ाकत जहाँ मिले ऐसी जगह को लखनऊ का नाम देते हैं. हम इज्जत वाले इन्हीं गलियों से आए हैं. हम इत्र से लोगों को उनकी पहचान देते हैं.
वाह वाह, सीरियसली आई मीन दे हैव गिवन अ पंच लाइन टू यू. आई मीन उन लोगों ने
उनने दी है, बट इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल एंड वेरी रेलेवेंट.
Beautiful.
अब याद है, बट उस समय बिकॉज़ ऑफ ऑल द स्ट्रेस एंड ऑल याद.
एग्जाम से पहले कुछ होता है जब थे ना, जब
हाँ.
एग्जाम से बाहर निकलते हु केयर्स,
Yeah.
किताबें इधर गई, अरे तो आप कौन टीचर समझते ही नहीं थे. सौम्या आपके लिए प्लीज.
सबसे पहले तो क्या होता है ना, वो 3 मिनट का पिच लोगों को लगता है 3 मिनट है. इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट अ 3 मिनट प्रेजेंटेशन. इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है वो, तो आपको सोचना पड़ता है. तो पहले मेरी शर्त थी कि भाई मैं रोना गाना नहीं करेंगे. सेंटी स्टोरी रियलिटी भी ना, अल्टीमेटली है तो रियलिटी शो. तुमको चाहिए, आप लोग देखते होंगे ना, किसी का मेरा झोपड़ टूट गया, मैं नहा रहा था, साबुन खत्म हो गया, तौलिया नहीं मिला, 4 दिन लगे, पड़ोसी ने आके साड़ी दी. मैं कहा नो स्टोरीज लाइक दिस. सो मैंने कहा हम चटनी बेच रहे हैं भाई, नेशनल क्या कर सकते हैं. तो पिच था, उसमें एक पॉइंट भी था, उन्होंने बोला कि वो शाहरुख खान जैसे बोलना. मैं कहा तू शक्ल देख मेरी, हालत देख मेरी, मुझे कोई खान नहीं बनाएगा, शाहरुख तो बाद में छोड़ दे तू. तो मैं कहा लेट्स कीप इट सिंपल, जैसा हम कर सकते हैं. और 3 बुजुर्ग फाउंडर हैं हम, मतलब 45-40 साल की उम्र है हमारी, मतलब कब जाने क्या होगा. एंड
इतना नहीं यार, इतना थोड़ा ना, पता नहीं हमारी तो जिंदगी में आधे से आधे खत्म हो जाएगी, ऐसी बात नहीं कर सकते यार. गलत, बहुत गलत.
लुक एट हिम, ही एक्चुअली
नहीं ये जोक के, बट यार 40-45 के बाद तो कब चले जाएंगे ऐसे थोड़ा ना कह सकते हो आप. क्या बात कर रहे हो? सौम्या बिल्कुल प्लीज.
We wanted to keep it simple. And वो जो आप देखते हैं, you would see a 15-minute bite of a 2-hour long session in the tank. उस 2 घंटे में हमारे तो बड़े झगड़े हुए हैं, क्या हुआ.
अभी आते हैं उस पॉइंट पर भी.
मतलब it's that 2 hours are grilling. Nothing is scripted. Everything you see is real time जो हुआ वहाँ पे. And of course सोनी के अपने राइट्स हैं, वो एडिट करते हैं अपनी तरह से उसको, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली तो दे हैव टू सेल दैट शो, राइट. इट्स अ रियलिटी टीवी, एंगेजमेंट वैसे बढ़ता है. बट इट्स अमेजिंग जब आपका वो 2 घंटा कैसे बीतता है आपको समझ ही नहीं आता. मतलब आपने वो 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा टैंक में स्पेंड किया, जब आप निकलते हैं तो एंड देन यू से कि अच्छा इतना टाइम लग गया हमको अंदर, इतनी देर से थे हम. यू हैव नो रियलाइजेशन कैसे होता है. बट सोनी लाइक इट सेड इज एक्सट्रीमली हेल्पफुल. आपको वो स्टूडियो में वो 3 दिन का एक मॉक सेशन होता है जब आप अपना प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. दैट्स व्हेन यू मीट आपके 1 दिन पहले के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं, आपके साथ वाले और आपके 1 दिन बाद वाले. Because everybody spends 3 days to practice their pitches and then you meet them. That's how the circle is made. You come to know and see लोग कहाँ से आए और क्या क्या काम कर रहे हैं. I think it's an extremely humbling experience in a Shark Tank. मतलब मैं ये मानता हूँ कि entrepreneurship वैसी बड़ा leveling चीज़ है. It levels you out. आप हवा में उड़ते हैं, आपको सब नीचे ले आता है, because it's a great leveler. And जब आप इस टैंक में जाते हैं आपको समझ में आता है कौन क्या क्या काम कर रहा है. मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि आप कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. घर पे लगता था कि बस मैं ही हूँ. When you meet people, you realize that boss, there are people doing such amazing, wonderful stuff. I mean, दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच.
Huge.
This Soumya, you yourself is very humble. That you are doing such a great job, but you have respect for others also. Thank you.
No, I think it's learning. It's just learning, nothing else. It is nothing but a learning process.
Very nice.
You're just starting off.
Very nice. Very nice. आगे बढ़े आकृति. How was your experience behind? आपको कुछ ड्रामा करने को कहा, कुछ जो आप करना नहीं चाहते थे, क्या हुआ वहाँ पर?
आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली कुछ ड्रामा नहीं होता है उसमें. एवरीवन's been there. There is no drama. For us, it's probably the most important one of the days of each of our lives, right? So we can't even think of it as drama ever. Life changes for each and every one of us the moment the episode is aired. For the better, for the worse, whatever. सबके अपने challenges आते हैं, sales spike होती हैं, orders कैसे fulfill करोगे? आपको इतनी demand, मतलब for us at least I feel कि हमने तो नहीं, हमें लगा था हम उस जर्नी पे 2-2.5 साल बाद पहुंचेंगे और हम ओवरनाइट पहुंच गए. तो ड्रामा कुछ भी नहीं है. एवरीथिंग यू सी इज ट्रू, लाइक दे ऑल सेड. सोनी टीम से हमें ये हेल्प बहुत मिली थी. जो सिर्फ वो पिच में हेल्प करते हैं 1-2 मिनट, एंड देन दे डू अ मॉकअप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स, बट एसेंशियली क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स के लिए आप खुद ही प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो. सो देयर इज नो ड्रामा इन दैट. एंड इन फैक्ट आई रिमेंबर दैट माई मॉकअप सेशन, जो मॉक क्वेश्चन का सेशन था, 1 night बिफोर द पिच वॉज सो ग्रिलिंग. देयर वाज समवन फ्रॉम देयर टीम, ही ग्रिल्ड मी सो बैड. जो मॉक सेशन था कि आई केम आउट फ्रॉम माई मॉक लिटरली इन टीयर्स दैट आई एम नॉट रेडी, आई कांट गो टुमारो टू पिच.
Shark Tank business team is probably sharkier than the
Yeah, exactly. So I had my mock with them and I'm crying for 30 minutes after that मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है मैं कल कैसे जाऊंगी शार्क्स के सामने, बिकॉज मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है. एंड देन लाइक फाइनली माई मॉम वॉज विद मी, आई कॉल्ड माई फैमिली, दे काम्ड मी डाउन एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं पिच से बाहर आई एंड आई टोल्ड दैट गाय, व्हाई डिड यू ग्रिल मी? दे वर सो मच बेटर देन यू. दे डिडंट ग्रिल मी एट ऑल. लाइक एंड ऑब्वियसली वो कन्वर्सेशन फ्लो भी शार्क्स के साथ easily हुई, but so I think, but it was good that they grilled me like that because I was it was easier for me when I went there. And the second thing I remember, which was a highlight, that Vidushi and I actually shared Piyush as an investor. So I don't know if I told Vidushi also this, but पूरे मेरे pitch के time पे 1.5 घंटा चली थी. Piyush kept calling me Vidushi. So Piyush kept calling me Vidushi, and I had seen your episode, so of course I knew which Vidushi he is referring to, and all the other sharks are correcting him through the pitch. Akriti. And I didn't even say anything. I was like, आप गलत बोल रहे हो, जो भी, I can't correct a shark, it's fine. And he called me Vidushi at least 4 to 5 times, I think.
यानी कि फंडिंग कहीं विदुषी को तो नहीं चलेगी?
I don't know, maybe you know, लखनऊ, दोनों की लखनऊ.
हो सकता है बैंक ट्रांसफर आप देख लेना, शायद आपको पता नहीं चला हो. क्या हो सकता है?
चेक कर But yeah, I think these were the 2 like things I remember, which were like fun and memorable, other than obviously the grilling part and everything else.
No, this is great to know, at least you know from this point कि whatever they are preparing you is for your good. And everything you have to prepare. I mean, वरना ऐसा होता है ना कि वहाँ पर prepare कराएंगे, ये कराएंगे. What I'm getting out of this till 4 कि they just guide you, right? You are what you are, and you have to present yourself. और एक चीज़ है कि 4 मिनट जो देखते हैं वो 1.5 घंटे, 3 घंटे, 2 घंटे सबकी लाइफ है जो वहाँ पे ग्रिलिंग चलती है. आपको तो स्नैपशॉट दिखाते हैं, कट पीस, right? Now over to Nitin. What was your experience behind the scene?
They wanted us to dance.
Sorry?
They wanted us to dance. I mean, they all got away with it.
वाह.
They said nacho. हमने बोला.
और कौन से गाने पर?
They wanted some Punjabi song. Rohan is Punjabi, my co-founder. I was South Indian. I said, I'm not going to dance. You can go to watch.
वो कनेक्टेड है क्या उनसे? जो कि मतलब उसको देख के पंजाबी.
रोहन बोला नाचना है तो मैं नाच सकता हूँ. I said नहीं, कोई नहीं नाचने वाला है. So then they gave us the second
तो
option.
आपके CEO कौन? आप you are CEO of the
We have no CEOs.
Huh?
We have no CEOs. He manages 3 functions in the team. I manage 2 functions in the team.
Achha,
So
okay.
But more interestingly, they said, "Okay, if you're not willing to dance, you have to do something." So then I called up a friend of mine who used to be with MTV. So during the Cyrus Brocha time, so there is that weirdness that is there. So मैंने उसको phone करके बोला, they want me to dance. So he's like, "Naach." He's like, "This is show business. You need 15." What somebody said, right? You need to somewhere catch attention. So I said, "No, I will not do that. So give me option 2." So then they said, "Okay, we'll make a small skit if required." And he helped us write that script. But then by the time we came back, they had already seen what we were wearing, and we wore simple collared shirts with moonshine out here. So they looked at us and said, that won't work. So we said, क्या करना है? Anarkali costumes. So they said, देखो, we have the reason, and they explained us why the reason. They explained to us what the reason was. They had taken a lot of approvals from Department of telecommunication to air alcohol for the first time.
Okay.
And they said, देखो तुम लोगों का शो तो आने वाला है, and नौटंकी के बिना we will not let you go. So
Masala
that was the second thing. So then they forced, and we had a choice. There was a blue and a pink. So I chose blue first. So Rohan had to wear pink. And then fun fact is, we were on stage. We were told you are next. So we were standing in this, and they wanted us to wear hats. So one was a Mughlai hat, the other one was a Maratha hat. So then Rohan had decided that was it. इसके ऊपर मैं नौटंकी नहीं करेगा. So at that point in time, he staged a revolt. I will not wear this. So वहाँ पे the song at Ajeebo Shah Shehenshah had already started.
अच्छा.
And they wanted us to come up there. And out here I'm trying to convince Rohan Penley. This is fine. I mean, finally, as long as it looks good, it just looks good on television, it's fine. So finally convinced him, walked out, and we had to take off the clothes within the first 2 minutes. I had to help him take it off. And of all the things that Rohan said as I was taking off his clothes, and Rohan and I, by the way, friends for 37 years. He said, so my pet name is Raghu. So he said, on mic, he's like, so Raghu, you're now undressing me on national television. I wonder what our wives will think.
And
So-
did you pre-warn your wife about it?
Oh no, they've actually given up hope with the two of us.
गुड सो एक चीज क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, अगर जैसे जो भी उन्होंने कुछ आपसे कहा करने के लिए, अगर वो स्टेज पे ना करो तो क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ नहीं होगा ना. तो मतलब ऑप्शन है, अगर वो फोर्स भी करे आपको कुछ करने के लिए, आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. कोई बड़ी
जब तक
चीज
बिजनेस
नहीं.
इंटरेस्टिंग है आ जाएगा टीवी पे.
हाँ जी,
जब तक बिजनेस इंटरेस्टिंग है टीवी पे आ जाएगा.
बस सही बात है. बिजनेस इसी वजह से करेंगे, बिजनेस के हिसाब से करेंगे, लेकिन शो बिजनेस को आप इग्नोर कर सकते हो. अच्छा, एक चीज ना, लेट मी कम टू वन मोर थिंग. किस जज among all, starting from Yash, who is your favorite and why? Which judge is your favorite in your season, not overall, when you are facing them, and why?
So we had gone into the tank wanting Anupam. That was our goal from the start. मतलब he is definitely one of the most seasoned investors. काफी knowledgeable है. He had invested in the creator space. हमारा जो space, he had made a couple of investments also in that space. So we obviously wanted him, but he was really giving us a low valuation when we started. तो हमारा ऐसा था that we were yet in a very early stage of the business, yet in an early stage, but तभी हमारे पास सिर्फ 500 active users थे. So we went in the tank, etc., and we were not really hoping that we'll get offers, right? Because being a tech startup, हमारा valuation ये सब already काफी high pegged रहता है. So we were assuming that यार offer एक भी offer मिल जाए तो अच्छा होगा या कुछ होगा. But I think 5 minutes into the pitch, Azhar was there for us. He was the new shark, and he just loved the idea so much of turning customers into marketeers that he didn't hear half of the stuff that we said. मतलब pitch होते ही 5 मिनट में he's like, I'll give you an offer, and that was we were like, dude, that is amazing, right? But the offer he gave was a very, very low valuation.
We'll come to that point. We'll come to that point. Let's unravel the story one by one. So you said Anupam,
Yeah.
and the reason is that he's more seasoned, and that's the reason. But you got offer from how many?
He got
judges?
offers from all 5 sharks.
Let's move on to next one. Vidushi, which is your favorite judge, if any, or more than one? Is okay, and why? And how many judges offer you?
So before going to the tank, our primary shark was Piyush, and he was the one who invested. He was the only one who was interested and invested.
Okay.
So yeah, we got the shark. The reason being, Piyush has been able to build a massive business around the eyewear industry and selling it online. This is one product that you need to try and then buy. We face a similar challenge, wherein you want to try a fragrance and then buy. So my idea was to whatever he did, कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, and I will search because I have to do online first.
Very good.
That's
So Amadip,
right.
which one is your favorite one, if any?
So,
वैसे जजेस को आपने डरा दिया होगा मेरे हिसाब से. तो
नहीं हमारा बहुत झगड़े हुए बट
मैं वही पूछ रहा था, आपने हड़का दिया होगा. तो कुछ स्टोरी ऐसी है कुछ फ्रंट स्क्रीन में कि अरे या तुम बाहर निकलो जरा.
I'm under the NDA, so I can't say a lot of stuff.
मेंटेन योर डिसेंसी, जो भी हो आपके लिए.
बट हाँ आई मीन वी रियली वांटेड पीयूष ऑन बोर्ड अगेन बिकॉज मैं पर्सनली पीयूष को बहुत एडमायर करता हूँ वॉट ही हैज़ क्रिएटेड इन द इंडस्ट्री इज अ फिनोमिना ही इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इन इंडस्ट्री आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज नो ऑफ अ जेंटलमैन कॉल्ड कबीर मूलचंदानी कबीर मूलचंदानी 98 में ही लॉन्च्ड अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड अकाई इन इंडिया एंड अकाई ने आके टेलीविज़न की इंडस्ट्री को चेंज कर दिया था जब उसने 29 इंच का टीवी लॉन्च किया था 20,000 रुपये में एंड दैट वाज अ टाइम व्हेन सैमसंग एंड LG वर सेलिंग 14 इंचेस एट 25,000 रुपीज़ 29,000 was only meant for the creme de la creme in the country. Kabir Mulchandani came in with 29 इंच का टेलीविजन फ्लैट विजन आता था टीवी उस टाइम एंड ही ट्रांसफॉर्म इंडस्ट्री उसके बाद प्राइसिंग चेंज हुई इंडस्ट्री की आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट पीयूष हैज़ डन इन दी आईवेयर इंडस्ट्री वो मोनोपली तोड़ी और बहुत सारे लोग बड़े कमेंट्स करते हैं अबाउट शार्क्स एंड देयर बिजनेसेस एंड देयर लॉसेस एंड बर्न्स बट मुझे लगता है कि बहुत लोग ये नहीं समझते हैं कि जो लोग ये कर पाए हैं वो इतने कम क्यों हैं तो कुछ तो खास होगा उनमें राइट तो पीयूष वॉज द फेवरेट एंड या आई मीन नमिता केम ऑन बोर्ड शी वॉज द वन हू वांटेड टू इन्वेस्ट एंड शी लव द प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छी बात यह है कि इन्वेस्ट नमिता ने किया विनीता इज बाइंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स कंसिस्टेंटली एवरी मंथ
Oh. Thank you. Akriti?
So for us, Aman and Piyush are our investors, and they were both my first choice and favorites. No offense to anyone else. I think everyone, each of the sharks there are sharks for a reason, that we can learn something from all. But I feel the journey we were in, Aman and Piyush's journey and what they've done resonated with me the most. And I thought that where I'm struggling, they can help me the most. Basis season 1, all the episodes that all of them had come in and understanding where they can help. So they were my first choice. We got offers from 4: Anupam, Vinita, Piyush and Aman. But we took Aman and Piyush because I had gone in thinking I want both of them together. And yeah, I got lucky that they also decided to come together, because that is also, TV पे आप देखते हो लगता है कि वो एक सेकंड में डिसाइड कर लेते हैं हमें साथ में आना है. Sometimes it doesn't work out, right? Sometimes they really want to go solo. So that was very important to me, that the both of them come together. And yeah, I think it's been a really nice journey.
So वो जो ऐसे पीछे से बात करते हैं ये उसमें टाइम लगता है मतलब
yeah, like हमारा 15-20 मिनट का था जो एक सेकंड में दिखाया है उन्होंने कि okay now yes this वो पूरा 15-20 मिनट चलता है. They're thinking, talking to each other first, deciding to come solo, then coming together. Like it's very quick on TV.
तभी 2 घंटे का जो आप कहते हो 2 घंटे का 1.5 घंटे का
कि आप आना एक सेकंड, वो सब मतलब उस
अच्छा.
टाइम पे हमारी हार्ट रेस इतना तेज कर रहा होता है that on TV it's just 1 second. But
Yes, yes.
that it's quite long when you're inside, and every second is like really important.
Very nice.
So yeah.
Nitin, tell which one. So which one you liked, why, and who funded you?
So fun facts, we didn't go to Shark Tank for funding. We went there for the publicity. He called it out. Yeah, so caveats थे before we'd gone on the stage. Almost a couple of years back, I had already met, in fact, Anupam at a Tycon event in Mumbai. And I had pitched to him then, and so we've sort of known the brand. Vinita's husband and I we both worked at McKinsey, so Vinita has been following our brand from the day it started. So she was amongst the softest to the brand and what the journey was, because she's sort of aware of it. And Aman is a one batch junior to me from ISB. So we had these people who were nice to us. I think off the lot, Vinita was the one who moderated the group, because we also were season 1 where we had Ashni Grover. So I'll just leave it there. So we needed an Aman and a Vinita to keep the emotions in check. So yeah, for us, those 2 guys probably stood out. And we got offers from all, and we said no to everyone.
तो एक मैं मेंटीमीटर पे चाहूँगा एक क्वेश्चन और अभी बीच में. जस्ट वांटेड टू नो, गौरव कैन यू हेल्प मी प्लीज? मेंटीमीटर पे फिर दोबारा क्विक एक क्वेश्चन चाहिए मुझे. गौरव भैया उसको बदल देंगे क्या, वो सोर्स देखिए. हाँ, इसको अगला बटन दबा दीजिए बस. हाँ, हो गया बस मेरा काम. प्लीज अगेन menti.com, and whose Shark Tank offer materialized in the end? It's okay. सो आई मीन सिर्फ अभी नितिन ने बोला है, बाकी 4 का आपको नहीं पता, राइट? जो सामने आपको दिखता है उससे थोड़ा रियलिटी चेंज भी हो सकती है. सो गेस योर वर्ड, किसकी मटेरियलाइज हुई? जो सामने दिखा वो उसकी बात नहीं, लेकिन किसकी मटेरियलाइज हुई इन द एंड? लेट्स सी. आकृति, ओके, शी विल कमिंग बैक. Vidushi, still we are getting more answers. Soumyadeep. Then I'll ask you after this, looking at it, कि आपने लिया कितना मिला, आपने लिया कि नहीं लिया, क्यों नहीं लिया? Okay, so let's start with Nitin. Can we start from you? आपका सबसे नॉट एज, क्योंकि आपने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, तो आप पब्लिसिटी के लिए गए वहां पर, पब्लिसिटी के लिए गए, ब्रांड के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
एंड एज आई नो, यू टोल्ड मी दैट यू नो इट्स नॉट एन ऑनलाइन अल्कोहल. आप ऑनलाइन नहीं बेच सकते, जो कि हिट हो जाए उसके पास तो रात को बेचने लगे, मतलब ऑनलाइन सप्लाई नहीं कर सकते आप, राइट? तो क्या फायदा मिला आपको?
तो फायदा, सो इट्स अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हमारे केस में, क्योंकि हम लोग ऑनलाइन बेचते नहीं है, तो इट्स नॉट इमीडिएटली विजिबल. लेकिन 2 big things that changed for us was हम लोग कैटेगरी क्रिएटर्स थे. वी लिटरली रोट द लॉ ऑफ मीट मेकिंग इन इंडिया. तो हमारा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता था कि पहले जब हम रेस्टोरेंट या बार में जाते थे, द फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन वाज ये मीट है, ये हनी से बनता है, एंड द होल स्टोरी वुड हैव टू बी स्पेल्ड आउट. एंड वो 15-20 मिनट वहीं पे जाता था, एंड देन उसके बाद वी वुड कम टू द कमर्शियल्स इफ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड. What Shark Tank essentially did was, me or my sales team, when we ever went to a restaurant or a bar or a retailer, they knew the bar, they knew the brand already, and it was very easy. Within the first 30 seconds, we could start talking commercials. So that was the good part. Second big thing that happened was a lot of meat brands started to pop up. People started making it at home. People started registering brands, and that helped the category, because for us it was very lonely for the first few years. We were the only brand in the market, only people making it as well. Up there are a lot of home brewers are doing it, a lot of brands have come in, which is great for the industry.
तो नितिन ने एक ऐड डाला था यूएस में, को भाई फ्री में मुझे ले ले, मैं तेरे इंटर्नशिप कर लूँगा, बस बनाना सिखा दे. तो यू गेट टू पेंसिल्वेनिया फॉर फ्री, राइट? गुड. यश, हाउ मच ऑफर डिड यू टेक इट एंड व्हाट बेनिफिट डिड यू गेट?
So our deal is very recent, so we are yet negotiating the SHA and all the legal is going on. तो हमारा तो अभी भी deal materialize नहीं हुई है अभी तक. It is yet in the pipeline. I was just season 3, right? So sometimes it takes time. But yeah, Shark Tank's been definitely very helpful. So even before Shark Tank, a couple of our videos on Instagram had gone viral because the concept is something that, the idea is something that people resonate with so much. कि हम लोग ने Instagram पे जितने भी videos डाले, a lot of them have gone viral. One of our videos which had gone was 15 million views. So the awareness was there, but definitely with Shark Tank, there is a even greater acceptance. I think one of the best things for me was even at home, my parents etc. could not understand what we are doing. तो Shark Tank में आने के बाद थोड़ा recognition मिला.
नहीं, उन्होंने मान लिया होगा कुछ ठीक ही कर रहा है, चाहे समझे तब भी नहीं होंगे. उन्हें मान लिया होगा ठीक ही कर रहा है, 15 मिलियन लोगों ने देखा है, कुछ तो कर रहा होगा,
थोड़ा भी समझ में आता है.
मैंने ये करा होगा. नेम प्लेट उन्होंने बदलवा दी उन्होंने घर के बाहर 15 मिलियन यश.
अभी तक वो नहीं.
आप देखते हैं नीचे सौम्यदीप, आपने ली कितनी मिली, क्या आप इट्स अप टू यू वेदर यू वांट टू टेल अबाउट दैट.
For 70 lakhs for 5%. We did not take the deal after. 2 reasons. Because जब हम टैंक में थे, which was जब शूट हुआ वो एपिसोड, तब that was 22nd of August 22.
अच्छा.
And तब हम ऑलरेडी ग्राउंड के बीच में थे. So हम ऑलरेडी ग्राउंड के बीच में थे तब. And normally क्या होता है ना, these guys start talking to you after the episode is aired.
Okay.
To see आपका impact क्या है on your e-commerce. तो basis that you can start negotiating and talk and but तब तक हमारा राउंड क्लोज हो चुका था.
So you did not take it.
We didn't take it.
All right. How about you, Vidushi? How much? What share? Did you take it or not?
So I took investment from Piyush, but not the deal that was offered. We renegotiated the deal.
Okay. So what was offered, जो screen पर दिया गया था, वो change हो गई थी. It's okay, but things can change behind the scene also. ठीक है. आकृति, आपको?
Shark Tank India आपको ये बोलता है कि जो आपके साथ होता है वो हैंडशेक डील है. Because due diligence is a very big part of it. कई बार और एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये कि शार्क टैंक की बिजनेस टीम आपका एक प्री डीडी करती है, ड्यू डिलिजेंस करती है बिफोर यू गो टू द शो, सो दैट यू कैन नॉट फज एनी नंबर्स ऑन द शो. नेशनल टीवी है ना,
Okay, right.
आप नेशनल टीवी पे गलत चीज़ नहीं बोल सकते. आई डोंट नो, अभी इस सीजन में दैट जम्मू किड्स हु गॉट द बैट, द क्रिकेट बैट, दे हैड एन एपिसोड, दे हैड एन इशू. सो वो लोग एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डीडी करते हैं, उनका बिजनेस टीम एक फाइनेंशियल ड्यू डिलिजेंस भी करता है. सो इट्स लाइक, मतलब वो 99% ऑफ डील्स कैन गो थ्रू विदाउट ए डीडी, क्योंकि इतना शार्प कर लेते हैं वो. उसके बाद नेगोशिएशन हो सकता है कि आपका डील चल रहा होता है. जैसे नितिन का, आई रिमेंबर दे वर ऑलरेडी इन मिड्स ऑफ अ डील, द वैल्यूएशन वाज वेरी हाई, बिकॉज अब देयर आर इंस्टीट्यूशन बैकर्स जो आपको पैसा दे रहे हैं ना, व्हाई शुड यू बैक आउट, राइट? मैं क्यों कम करूँगा? सो वी ऑल्सो हैड अ सिमिलर थिंग एंड हेंस दैट हैपेंस. बट या इट्स अ हैंडशेक डील. द शार्क्स कैन बैक आउट बिकॉज अगर डीडी नहीं क्लियर हुआ, यू कैन बैक आउट अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, मेरी वैल्यूएशन नहीं उतनी अच्छी है, मुझे बेटर वैल्यूएशन चाहिए, और वॉट एवर रीजंस. वी हैव हैड एपिसोड्स वेयर देयर आर ब्रांड्स शार्क टैंक के बाद में फाउंडर स्प्लिट.
अच्छा,
फाउंडर स्प्लिट एंड द डील वेंट ऑफ बिकॉज शार्क्स ने बोला कि बॉस, वी वर बैंकिंग ऑन यू टू, दोनों की जोड़ी पे बैंक कर रहे थे, अब हम एक को नहीं कर सकते. वी डोंट नो कि एक पूरा चला पाएगा नहीं चला पाएगा. वैसे यू नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज दैट कम्स.
आकृति.
So we took our deal. We, from Aman and Piyush both, we got a 20 crore valuation, 3.75% for 75 lakhs. And I think, like, you know, all of them mentioned it is really on the journey you're in and what you seek as a founder in that situation. अगर आप already बाहर से investment raise कर रहे हो, it's very different, right? You have valuation numbers to meet. You have certain, आपकी बात चल रही है 3-4 लोगों से. You pitched it. We were a bootstrap company, also never thought कि हम raising या कुछ करेंगे. मतलब it happened very on its own for us. So it was never about the valuation. It was always about the you know, mentorship that I can get, because I wanted to learn. I didn't know how to run a business after a certain scale, and I wanted to learn. The first video I saw after our Shark Tank episode on YouTube was someone who had posted जीत के बिहारी चिकन कारी, and it had affected me a lot because उनके हिसाब से हमने valuation ज़्यादा दे दी, right? You know, we could have negotiated more. And मतलब मुझे 1-2 दिन काफ़ी फर्क पड़ा था इस बात से, that you know, मतलब valuation game गलत हो गया, हमारी sales तो मतलब I didn't do the right thing. But after 2 days, you know, I really understood that like this is just noise, because मुझे, and this is now what, 1.5 years into, 1 year into, I got my investment in my company in around June. 3 months उनको due diligence में लगे थे, और उसके बाद 2-3 months मैंने अपनी side से लिए थे. I would not even say that it was the sharks. I wanted to know, understand each and every term of my SHG. So there was a lot of back and forth from my end with my lawyers. So we didn't change the valuation, but there were terms that we negotiated on. So 6 months and अब 1 साल हो गया है, and honestly, like, the video shouldn't have affected me, क्योंकि आज की डेट में मैंने 3.75 दिया. The amount I've gained, even if I had to give 5, I should have. Absolutely. So like, I didn't know it at the time, and today even 5% is less. If I think.
Thank you so much for sharing that information. तो आपने देखा यहाँ पर कि मतलब काफ़ी लोग तो ब्रांड तो मिलती है, but the kind of deal that you get and the boost that you get out of it, and some of the things is very strategic, right? And yes, you can talk to him maybe some other day to understand better about these things. अब moving on, क्या strategy? आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 लोग बैठे हैं, right? और हम पे भी अमृत पड़ चुका है, हम लोग भी सीख चुके हैं काफ़ी चीज़ें, right? स्टाफ टैंक के बारे में आप. What is the strategy that you want to give to all of people, you know, यहाँ पर सामने हैं या सुनेंगे आपको बाद में, to prepare for Shark Tank? Just start करते हैं. What do you think, you know, how they should prepare, how they should take it? एक question write करो. What is the readiness that you feel to go to the Shark Tank? That is my second question, right? What is the advice? How you should prepare, or you should prepare at all or not, right? Second question is, what is the readiness of the business that you see to go to Shark Tank?
So you're coming on national television, so definitely you need to prepare thoda sa. But you know, you don't have to be like, I think with entrepreneurship you can never be perfect, right? So the advice and the suggestion is just to sort of get started, go over there, and at the same time, once you're pitching, you're going to come on national television. Whatever your state of business is, right? मतलब however ready inventory is सब, at least the lead collection and the data collection etc. Should be good enough, right? That system should be robust because after Shark Tank, you're going to get a very good boost in traffic, in awareness, in publicity. So even in your case, right? Like the question you asked, even if some business is not ready. So for example, what we are doing is something very, very new and different. So even though we have a wait list of about 6 lakh people, we are going slow. So with Shark Tank, we definitely did onboard many more people, but we yet have a wait list going on, right? So for us, it was very, very important that, the people who are coming, applying, we collect their data properly, we give them proper responses, communicate with them effectively, and that is what we did.
तो शार्क टाइम मैं फिर से रिपीट करना चाहूँगा कि जस्ट स्मॉल 1 minute एडवाइस. व्हाट इज एडवाइस फॉर पीपल हु आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू शार्क टैंक?
So definitely, like, you should, as I told you, right, like even however ready you are, right, with entrepreneurship you can never be perfect. If you try and wait for perfection to think about, once I hit this level of business or this happens, then I'll go to Shark Tank, you'll never be ready, right? It's always a plunge, it's always a jump, and all of us who are here, none of us knew how it was going to turn out for us, right? It was all a bet.
Vidushi, any advice?
I think you've got to be very solidly, very well prepared with the numbers. I wasn't prepared, but that was one learning, and today, I have all the numbers on my fingertips. But yes, even sometimes what happens as founders, we are so busy in our day-to-day operations. It is very important that you know the numbers in and out. You should know where you want to take it and what do you exactly need from the sharks or any investor for that matter to take it there. You've got to be absolutely honest. Don't try to bluff there. They'll catch you in a jiffy. They are smart people. So be open, ready to share honest information and know your business in and out. That is extremely good.
That's for sure. Soumya?
So, स्ट्रैटेजी तो बड़ा क्लियर है, आपको टीवी पे आना चाहिए, बड़ा सिंपल है. देखिए, किसी भी बिजनेस के लिए, मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नहीं बोलूँगा, किसी बिजनेस के लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है लोगों को बताना कि वो करता क्या है. रीचिंग आउट, टेलिंग पीपल. अच्छा, हम सब इंस्टाग्राम, मेटा पे एड्स करते हैं, बट कंज्यूमर का मेंटल टाइम स्पैन इतना कम है, अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम है कि आप कब खो जाओगे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. ही इज जस्ट स्ट्रोलिंग अराउंड एंड यू विल गेट लॉस्ट. वो शार्क टैंक का 15 मिनट तो is worth 6.5% investment which you're getting for free. Number one.
No, what is the advice for them? How they should?
I'm saying one is that you should always be ready for it. There is no early or you're late. कभी नहीं.
That's what I want.
आप देखिए शार्क टैंक में ऐसे ब्रांड्स भी आ रहे हैं जो आइडिया स्टेज पे हैं, ऐसे भी आ रहे हैं जो 30 साल पुराने ब्रांड्स हैं. राइट. सो यू आर नेवर अर्ली और यू आर नेवर लेट. मैं कह रहा हूँ इस रूम में जो लोग अगर बिजनेस में हैं, एवरीबडी शुड ट्राई एंड पिच फॉर शार्क टैंक. अगर आपको मौका मिलेगा तो प्लीज़ जाइए, बिकॉज आपको अपने बिजनेस को एनहांस करने का इससे अच्छा मौका नहीं मिल सकता. सबसे बड़ी बात है, मतलब यू शुड नॉट इवन थिंक ट्वाइस. इसमें कोई ईगो नहीं आनी चाहिए, यार ये क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है, टीवी पे कैसा दिखूंगा. आपको ये मौका मिलेगा ही नहीं, दोबारा कोई और प्लेटफॉर्म दे ही नहीं सकता. इतना बड़ा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म है ही नहीं. आप देखिए अमेजॉन ने ट्राई किया टू मेक समथिंग, कलर्स हैव ट्राइड टू मेक अ इक्विवेलेंट शो, जियो इज ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग. No, because Shark Tank US was so big और उसका रिपल इफेक्ट है इंडिया में. और क्योंकि इंडिया में Shark Tank US के व्यूअर शायद आज भी शायद थोड़े ज़्यादा हैं बनस्पत इंडिया के. So वो that IP is so big, you can't change that.
और Akriti, what would you give advice?
I think what Soumyadeep is saying, don't be like me. Like I didn't want to apply. एंड मेरे को बहुत डर भी लगता था दैट वी आर सो न्यू, सबको नंबर्स जाके बताने पड़ेंगे एंड व्हाट विल लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू टेल एनीवन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू कीप डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो दीज थिंग्स डोंट मैटर एंड टुडे आई माई सेल्फ गो आउट एंड टेल एवरीवन, छोटा बड़ा प्लीज अप्लाई. डोंट इवन थिंक 1% लाइक मी एंड यू शुड जस्ट अप्लाई. बिकॉज किसी भी पार्ट में आप जर्नी के आपको नहीं पता कि कब क्या, you get such good feedback also. more than that I feel कि अगर आपको डील नहीं भी मिली आप फीडबैक लेकर आ सकते हो जिस पे यू कैन वर्क. एंड ठीक है नेशनल टेलीविजन पे आ जाएगा वो फीडबैक, बट हाउ डज इट मैटर?
सर मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ कि 2 से 2.5 लाख लोग अप्लाई करते हैं हर साल. 350 लोगों को बुलाया जाता है फॉर द ऑडिशंस, सिलेक्ट होते हैं, सिर्फ 150 पिक्चर्स एयर होती हैं. इफ यू आर देयर यू आर ऑलरेडी अ विनर. डील और नो डील, इट डजंट मैटर, राइट?
Very good, Irfan. Very good. Over to you, Nitin, before we open the question and answer session.
I think the one thing that I would advise people outside of what Som just said is that plan why you're going to Shark Tank. You should either go there for the capital or you're going there for the publicity, and be very clear about it. Don't confuse yourself with it. Decide why you're going, and it's perfectly okay to say कि पैसे के लिए नहीं जा रहा हूँ, publicity के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Remember one thing, unlike Shark Tank US, which now obviously is also available online, Shark Tank when it started was just a television thing, right? It was that one day that you had something called the Shark Tank effect on your sales. Today's advantage with India is that it's on OTT. People are watching it every other day. So we aired about 3 years ago. I still get calls for people who have watched Shark Tank and are calling us, right? And it's important to understand that the impact is going to be massive and it's going to be there for a long time. Even for a brand that doesn't sell online, we still get benefited because our sales technically doubled over the year. I can't quantify it for Shark Tank, but I can definitely say there was an effect, right? But go into the tank very clear why you're going in, and and be absolutely unabashedly honest about it. I think that's the only thing you should.
So मेरे को लग रहा है 1 घंटे बाद कम से यहाँ से 50-60 एप्लीकेशन तो जानी चाहिए Shark Tank की, कम से कम 50.
I want to make a small submission. 2 तरह के ब्रांड्स होते हैं. कुछ ब्रांड्स हैं जो, और हमारे आसपास हैं, आप लोग सब बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से हैं, आप जानेंगे कि आपके साथियों में, दोस्तों में, आपके जानने में, रिलेटिव्स में ऐसे लोग होंगे जो साल का 100 200 करोड़ का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. नोबडी हैज़ हर्ड देयर नेम. वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेसेस, ओल्ड बिजनेसेस, स्टेबल बिजनेसेस, फंडामेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेसेस, राइट? जैसे एग्जाम्पल, आयुष जी का बिजनेस 170 साल पुराना है, राइट? फिटनेस का ब्रांड इज वॉट शी क्रिएटेड आउट ऑफ इट. मैं सबको समझाता हूँ और हमको मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ाया जाता था, द ब्रांड विल आउटलिव द बिजनेस. सो IIM में हमको एक केस स्टडी होती थी, हमको बोलते थे कि आप रैंडम सड़क पे चलिए और रैंडम सड़क पे किसी से पूछिए कि लाइफ बॉय का नाम सुना है क्या? बोलेगा पागल है, सब जानते हैं लाइफ बॉय, लाल टिकिया सब नहा रहे हैं उससे, राइट? कौन बनाता है? आधे लोग नहीं जानते. इट्स अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाउ अ ब्रांड हैज़ आउटलिव्ड HUL एज अ बिजनेस, राइट? लाइफ बॉय मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने देखा इन अ सर्टेन अवतार, माई फादर सॉ इट, आई सॉ इट, माई सन इज सीइंग इट लाइक अ हैंड वॉश नाउ एंड अ सैनिटाइजर नाउ आफ्टर कोविड, राइट? अब द ब्रांड आउटलिव्स इट. शार्क टैंक में आने के बाद सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ये, छोटे छोटे ब्रांड्स हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, 8-9 करोड़ का बिजनेस करते हैं साल का, राइट? इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल बिजनेस, पिटली बिजनेस है. लेकिन चूंकि हमें ब्रांड रिकग्निशन मिला, मेरा ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कंट्री खुल गया बिफोर द एपिसोड एंडेड. द गाय कॉल्ड अप सेइंग, नमन मेरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, बोला मैं सो रहा हूँ, तेरा एपिसोड मेरी बीवी देख रही थी, तेरा ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्लोज हो गया, किसी को देगा नहीं, कल पैसे भेज दूँ क्या? आई विल कॉल यू व्हेन आई वेक अप.
Same thing happened with us in Dubai. It was exactly the same thing.
So ये तो कभी नहीं हो सकता था. I would have not, मैं शायद खुद जाता, बात करता, I would have done it in the next 2 years, right? ये रिकग्निशन है. और अगर आपका ब्रांड का नाम पता है ना लोगों को, स्केल अप करना आसान हो जाता है. एस्टैब्लिश बिजनेस जिसका नाम नहीं पता लोगों को, उसको स्केल अप करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, क्योंकि हर शहर में आपके जैसा कोई एक बिजनेस ऑलरेडी है. सो यू, आज हमारे साथ बेनिफिट ये है कि वी आर अ वेरी स्मॉल ब्रांड बट वी आर अ नेशनल ब्रांड. वी आर सेलिंग इन 4 कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी, सो वी आर एन इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड. बहुत छोटे हैं, 8 करोड़ इज नथिंग. इस गली के बाहर 10 लोग 8 करोड़ धंधा कर रहे होंगे. But for us to scale to 1,000 crores becomes very easy, becomes a reality in the next 5 years. जो वो कभी सोच नहीं पाएगा 1,000 करोड़ करना है, बिकॉज उसको कोई जानता नहीं. So hence please apply, please go. ये एक मौका है, एक अवसर है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल है, और मतलब क्या ही लेगा, कोई दे के जाएगा ना आपको,
कुछ लेके जाएगा नहीं.
क्या लेगा आपसे? There is no fee there, nobody charges a fee to you.
Perfect, thank you. I think such a good discussion so far. Let's clap for them. Seriously, I enjoyed. I don't know, I didn't look at you, I was just listening to them all the time. तो Q&A शुरू करते हैं. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन हो, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. We'll pass on the mic to you. Please pass on the mic.
Hi, my name is Kushal, and my question to all of you, that someone is becoming successful, some has got the funding, someone is getting funding, some has rejected the funding. But how you maintain the startup? A, B, that there must be challenges that when you were aired, so there will be a lot of spike in your sales. So how you maintain that on the e-commerce platform or offline platform, and what glitch did the e-com platform did any they barred you for some time or anything which happened? So how you maintained that, or how you took that in yourself? He has said that we have a waiting of 6 lakhs, and so how you are facing that and how you are overcoming that thing.
So rather than answering one, can I request anyone to answer, one of them to answer on that one? Soumya, you want to go ahead?
So हमारे साथ तो ये हुआ कि हमारा तो Amazon ने स्टोर बंद कर दिया 2 दिन बाद. So on our website we did 14,000 orders in a span of 8 days, which was a year's order. हम average 1000 से 1100 ऑर्डर करते थे महीने का. हमने 14,000 ऑर्डर किया on a span of 8 days. मतलब, और कस्टमर केयर नंबर मेरे पास है. मैंने जितनी गालियाँ खाई होंगी लोगों से, बिकॉज इंडिया है ना, वंस दे पे दे ओन यू, कि आपका ऑर्डर निकला क्यों नहीं अभी तक, मुझे ट्रैकिंग आईडी क्यों नहीं है अभी तक. मैं कहा हाँ सर मैं कर रहा हूँ सर, मैं कर हाँ जी सर अभी करता हूँ सर. सो वन दैट आंसर यू आर नेवर प्रिपेयर्ड. इनफैक्ट इस सीजन में भी ऐसा हुआ है, लोगों ने पीपल थॉट कि ये स्केल अप होगा और लोगों ने बहुत स्टॉकअप किया. देयर एपिसोड डिड नॉट गेट एयर ऑन, सो इट बिकेम अ चैलेंज. तो वी वर नॉर्मल, वी सेड कि यार हम कर लेंगे, बिकॉज हमारा प्रोडक्शन हम एनीवेज जस्ट इन टाइम करते हैं, बिकॉज हमारा पेरिशेबल प्रोडक्ट है, हम जस्ट इन टाइम करते हैं. अमेजोन ने 2 दिन बाद स्टोर बंद कर दिया, बोला कि बॉस ये अबनॉर्मल सेल है, पहले ये सर्विस करेंगे उसके बाद अगला करेंगे. उसके 2 दिन बाद फ्लिपकार्ट ने स्टोर बंद कर दिया कि अबनॉर्मल सेल है, राइट. तो उसका बेनिफिट हमें हुआ कि सब कुछ वेबसाइट पे आया. बट प्रेशर ये था कि मेरे 2 बच्चे, मेरी वाइफ, मेरी को फाउंडर, उसकी सिस्टर विभोर, who's at the factory Indore, se he had to come along with our people. We were at the warehouse consistently for 8 days. Everybody was packing, everybody was putting the greeting card, thank you card, okay thank you for ordering sir, we love you, सब हो रहा था वो, and वो सारा करके we could process all the orders. But you can't be prepared because आपको पता ही नहीं कि क्या impact पड़ेगा on sale. और हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि लोग इतना ऑर्डर करेंगे. सो क्लासिक एपिसोड है somebody, और हमारा ग्लिच बताता हूँ मैं आपको.
Shopify थोड़ा पास में रख के, हाँ
सॉरी तो ग्लिच बताता हूँ. शॉपिफाई में इंटरनेशनल करेंसी में ऑर्डर लेना अलाउड है. हमें ये पता नहीं था कि आप उसको बंद करना होता है, because हमने कभी किया ही नहीं था ना. somebody from UK paid us some 900 pounds और वो फॉलो कर गए कि बॉस, और नंबर उसका UK नंबर है. our bot was not registered to send a WhatsApp number there or to WhatsApp there. और हमें पता है कि ये ऑर्डर आ गया, उनका 900 पाउंड का ऑर्डर है, कौन है. और वो हमें 8 दिन बाद बोल रही है तुम माल क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे. मैं कहा मैम मैं कैसे, हमें पता ही नहीं हाउ डू वी डू इट. अच्छा, लिक्विड कुरियर करना इज अ प्रॉब्लम इंटरनेशनली और लोकली ऑल्सो, तो यू हैव ओनली स्पेसिफिक कुरियर्स हू कैन डू इट. देन वी हैड टू ओपन एन अकाउंट विद FedEx कि बॉस भेजना है. देन वी सेंड दी स्टॉक्स एंड इट टुक इन द 8 days, एंड हमने और एक्स्ट्रा स्टॉक भेजा कि मैम आप ये भी ट्राई करिए, ये भी ट्राई करिए. वी सेंड दैट. बट या यू लर्न ऑन द वे ऑल्सो कि ये हुआ है, तो इससे अब ये अगला स्टेप कैसे हो सकता है.
थैंक यू,
करेंगे.
थैंक यू. एनी अदर such a good knowledge. I mean, they all of them have this kind of story. I'm just stopping because we can ask more questions. That's the reason. I'm sorry. We just move on to other people. Otherwise, everyone has this kind of story. How did they really backed up their sales? Any more question, please? Yes.
So there are different stages. First is obviously you're doing it for the awareness. That's the first step. Second is obviously the funding, which you're getting takes its own time due to due diligence. Does their mentoring part come to you? Matlab, do you get some kind of mentoring from them? And the second was whether the support team, as you said, like multiple bulk orders and everything, how much preparedness in that short period. So those kinds of supports are there from them.
So Vidushi से मैं कहूँगा रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को I remember episode. Like, tell about the mentoring, like you got.
So Piyush has been a great help. In fact, even before we took the money and the deal was signed, I had already visited his factory. I had visited the different offices, met his entire senior team. I was sitting in his review meetings, learning a lot. And I mean, this is massive for somebody who doesn't know even how to run a business to being there where massive businesses have run. So you know this is where I want to be, and then you sit down and decide, okay, I can break it down, and there are so many things that I can do. That was one very big help. Second help that I received was they have a team. We can very easily reach out to them and tell them this is a problem I'm facing. Can you connect me to somebody who can help me to solve it? Nobody is a superhero and they have all answers to every question, but they have the resources and they're connected to the right kind of people who can in turn connect you to them. And when they give the reference, so aapka kaam ho jata hai. Third, Piyush's team has now set up these monthly meetings with people who have achieved something in life and in business, and they have done something different that can help businesses like us. So these meetings where we can ask our questions, and it's a very specific meeting. Like the other day we did an HR related team hiring meeting, and a very senior HR person came up and told us what are the policies, how you should go about it. Then usse pehle tha ki how you can manage your day-to-day operations and focus on based on data, how can you grow your business. So those kind of little things which otherwise you wouldn't even know where.
And certainly the resources and the connects you get with
it helps a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
एक क्वेश्चन का पार्ट तो सर आपका वेयर वाज दी बैक एंड. तो आई थिंक अभी जस्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडीज इन्फॉर्मेशन, अभी क्या हुआ है पिछले 5-6 सालों में दी इकोसिस्टम हैज बिकम वेरी कंड्यूसिव. मतलब जब मैंने काम शुरू किया था 5 साल पहले, तब हम सब पैकिंग खुद करते थे अपने ऑफिस में बैठ के, छोटा सा ऑफिस होता था. अभी 3PL पार्टनर्स आ गए हैं, आपके सॉफ्टवेयर्स आ गए हैं, OMS आ गया, WMS आ गया, जहाँ पर आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आपके 15-20 प्लेटफॉर्म के ऑर्डर्स कॉमन्स इनटू वन प्लेस आपका वेयरहाउस में आता है, आपकी टीम रेडी करती है, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका जो कुरियर पार्टनर है उसको एक चीज़ चली जाती है, वो शाम को पिकअप करता है. देयर आर SLAs टू फॉलो. अमेजॉन और फ्लिपकार्ट के लिए तो कस्टमर इज किंग. मतलब अगर आपने ब्रीच किया दे विल स्क्रू यू लाइक एनीथिंग, कि आपने डिले कैसे किया, आपने एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक, ये अभी तक गया क्यों नहीं है. सो इकोसिस्टम इतना कंड्यूसिव हो गया है कि काम करना बहुत ईजी हो गया है. 2 तरीके के, जिसका बिजनेस ट्रेडिशनल है वो अपने बिजनेस को मॉडर्नाइज कर सकता है, और जो नया शुरू कर रहा है उसके लिए तो इट्स अ केक वॉक. उसको सिर्फ डिटर्मिनेशन चाहिए कि मुझे करना है. अगर विलिंगनेस है तो अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है.
Thank you so much. How much time do we have? सौम्या के लिए और विदुषी के लिए, बाकी लोग फ्लाई आउट कर रहे हैं, उन्हें आप लोग रीच आउट कर लें जैसे भी करें. These people are kind enough to stay here and talk to you, but put your name over there at the registration desk, please. Yes, Nida.
Yeah. So I'm Dr. Nida, and my question is that आपका क्या suggestion होगा for those budding entrepreneurs who already हर बार एक innovative idea कहीं से out of the box लाना is not possible. So how have you managed your competition? What USP or things you incorporated?
I will ask Akriti if you can handle, because चिकन खाने के लिए हम सोचते हैं कि ये तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हर एक जगह बिकता है. लखनऊ में आप सब जगह चलाइए, कम से कम 20,000 दुकानें होंगी, right? Even you created. So how do you, being a commoner, how do you innovate? How do you make your brand?
I think the first step is to just start, honestly. When I started out, chicken curry कोई unheard of चीज़ नहीं थी, and my biggest the biggest players in the industry are someone like a Fab India, so I was essentially competing with the Fab India only. But I feel कि आप उनको competition की तरह जब तक सोचोगे तब तक आप start ही नहीं कर पाओगे, right? I always looked at these brands as where I want to be and tried to find things where I see also the difference between a small and a big brand. I'll tell you, उनकी इतनी layers of approval होती हैं, जब तक वो कुछ सोच के इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं ना 1 साल निकल जाते हैं. आप एज अ स्टार्टअप आज सोच के कल इम्प्लीमेंट करके आगे बढ़ सकते हो. सो दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक दी स्टार्टअप्स और न्यू एज बिजनेसेस कैन मेक द डिफरेंस. बिकॉज आप HUL का एग्जांपल लो, इतने बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स उन्होंने बनाए, वो 3 महीने में कुछ सोच के, ऐसे उनकी रिसर्च लेयर्स बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो यू जस्ट थिंक ऑफ व्हाट यू फील you can do a little differently and do it now, right? That's so that by the time they get into it, you already have achieved certain name कि आपने किया जैसे भी, and then you also learn along the way. I feel कुछ हमने सोचा होगा हम करेंगे, we started, we evolve, we grow, we take certain inspiration from a lot of other industries also, not just clothing, maybe some other industry doing something which no one's done in clothing, we can do that. And like chicken curry on velvets, I had never seen, but because the general consensus was when we decided कि हमें winter में भी इस art form को करना है, everyone said कि no, artisans कारीगर मानेंगे नहीं. So we decided to do a little experiment with a small cluster. कि ठीक है, we can't do it at scale because it's not something that people are trained with, but we decided to take up the challenge and we've been launching every year in winter and it's been doing well for us. So I think it's just, you can implement things faster as a small brand and you can just find those gaps and just get inspired rather than thinking of everyone as a competition. You just have to be a better version of your own brand every day, I feel. Right? If we start thinking and getting scared कि हर idea taken है, I think हर ethnic wear तो बहुत ज़्यादा, like Piyush, I had asked me this question on the pitch कि W, Biba, Fab India सब exist करते हैं, but I could visualize the niche in a different way and I decided to go after it rather than think कि वो लोग कर रहे हैं मेरा क्या होगा. So I think that's the first step is to just start and figure a lot of things along the way.
Thank you so much.
If I can just give you a simple example, किसी ने बड़े सालों पहले बोला था डोंट रीइन्वेंट द व्हील. किसी ने पहिया गोल बना रखा है, अब आप हेक्सागोनल पहिया बनाएंगे, चौकोर बनाएंगे, तो डोंट डू इट. वर्क ऑन द टायर. Over the years we have seen tires have become comfortable. ZBTS आया, puncture free आया, tubeless आया. You work on the tire. You see how you can transform the travel, how you can better your commute, how you can increase the longevity of the product. So don't reinvent on that wheel. Reinvent on the tire. So you in an industry, within an industry, सारे businesses में हमने क्या बोला? मैंने बोला बस चटनी सबने खा रखी है, सबको पता है. So मेरी bottle looks like a mayonnaise bottle. The consistency is that of a sauce because teenage है ना, teenagers को sauces पता है, उनको चटनी पता ही नहीं, उनके लिए nostalgia कुछ है नहीं. हमारे लिए हम आके बोलते थे बचपन में मैं फलाना करता था, वो करता था. इनके लिए तो बचपन से ही it's a different league, right? So नोबिता एंड शिजुका के अलावा लाइक है ना उनकी. So the idea was to give a product consistency, sauce की है, content is that of a regional chutney. So I did not reinvent the wheel, right? The idea was to you change the modus operandi, you try and give an offering which is better to the consumer, right? Catch is a classic example. The table salt, हर घर में table salt चाहिए, किसने सोचा ही नहीं कि मैं sprinkler ला सकता हूँ. And then it's a rage. मतलब the reach of Catch is a simple innovation. When they got it, right? Tea bags, the mobility of a product. So don't reinvent the wheel. Out of the and competition की बात करूँ तो आपके मेट के बाद भी 2 SIM कार्ड है, पापा दिस, पापा जियो, right? So अगर एक फोन में 2 स्लॉट्स और 2 SIM कार्ड टेकन है, तो हर महीना एयरटेल, VI और जियो आज भी नया कनेक्शन कर ही रहे ना, तो उससे तो कम ही कॉम्पिटिशन है हमारे पास में. तो ये मतलब उससे तो कम कॉम्पिटिशन.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think we'll end this Q&A over here. And I don't know what is the way forward. Thank you so much. I mean, on my behalf and everyone over here, we had a lot of learning and a lot of jokes around. But I mean, so thank you so much. And please accept any kind of LinkedIn request from us from Lucknow. If we had tonight itself, don't back it up. Alright, Flipkart, Amazon will block you, but we will not block you. Please accept it, so that at least we get benefit from interaction with you. We learn from other people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. 2 घंटे ये भी नहीं पता.
2 घंटे नहीं पता चला. अच्छा 2 घंटे ये भी नहीं पता चला. Thank you to all of you for your patience, and Mentimeter I think has given us some answers also. Thank you for participating.
Thank you session on breaking barriers in entrepreneurship. I would now request Madhukar ji and our esteemed panelists to please come in front as I take your name. Madhukar ji. Fine. On so many levels at the same time, I mean, kudos. I think I'm falling short of words. It rarely happens. Are we getting? Yes, sir. I would now like to thank Mr. Madhukar ji and would want to invite Mr. Satan Sahani from TIE Lucknow to felicitate our panelists, Mr. Yak Saklecha. Thank you, Yash ji, for giving your time.
Let me show you what you're getting. So this is a member of ours. He is around. So he's created something specifically for you with your Really, it's amazing. This is the love, right?
Thank you so very
Thank you so much for coming over.
Thank you.
After this.
Thank you so much.
I would now like to invite Ms. Vidushi Vajivargya.
All right, Vidushi. Very well. I'm very grateful.
I would now like to invite Mr. Soumyadeep Mukherjee. I to invite Ms. Akriti Rawal.
We needed a Delhi angle to do what we've been doing it ever since. That's what I said. Thanks for coming over, Akriti.
And lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Nitin Vishwas.
We'll make Daru together. We decided together. Thank you. Thanks for coming over, guys.
I would just like to invite the working committee for breaking barriers in entrepreneurship for a group photograph on the stage.
So Satveer, Pulkit.
Event partner, Tathastu Events, Mr. Tarun Dhameja, MD of Tathastu Events. I would also request Mr. Khushal Bhargav, founding member of TIE, to come up and felicitate the sponsors. Our social media partner, businesses of Lucknow, Nilakshi. Our gifting partners, Mr. Shashank Manchanda, Prakash Creations, and Mr. Ashish Moga from Donut Therapy. Thank you so much. I would express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event possible. I would like to start expressing our sincere gratitude to the panelists for today's evening, Mr. Nitin Vishwas, founder Moonshine Meadery, Mr. Soumyadeep, founder Spice Story, Mr. Yash Saklecha, founder Wildcard, Ms. Vidushi Vijayvargya, founder Isaac Fragrances, and Ms. Akriti Rawal, founder of House of Chicken Curry. Thank you for your insightful session with your respective inspiring journeys. I would like to extend my gratitude to event chair Ms. Simran Sahni and Mr. Shivam Rastogi, event co-chair, along with very talented Mr. Madhukar Vashne for moderating this panel discussion. He did a great job. I would also take an opportunity to thank our ecosystem partners, Fiki Flow Lucknow, Mrs. Vibha Agarwal, chairperson, and Infinity Connects, Mrs. Surbi Srivastava, founder. I would like to thank our travel partner, Travel Light and Easy, hospitality partner, Comfort Inn, event partner, Tathastu Events, social media partner, businesses of Lucknow, gifting partners, Prakash Creations and Donor Therapy, venue partner, Renaissance, and photography partner, Sachdeva Studio, for their support. Also, I would also like to express my gratitude to the working committee, Mr. Satveer Singh Pava, Mr. Ravi Saath, Mr. Khushal Bhargav, Mr. Ashish Moga, Mr. Manish Nath, Mr. Raghav Prakash, Mr. Gaurav Srivastava, and Mr. Abhishek Puri for their hard work and dedication in taking this event from an idea to a successful execution. Also, thanking all the volunteers in ensuring the smooth execution of the event. I would like to thank our esteemed ex-president, Mr. Ashish Kaul, and Mr. Sachin Sahni for their constant guidance and support. Special thanks is due to Mr. Pranav Agarwal, President TIE Lucknow, for their vision and support in organizing and facilitating this event. On behalf of TIE Lucknow, I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for taking time and being part of this successful event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the families of everyone associated with this event for their unwavering support to us, especially the President, Secretary and Treasurer's families. Thank you so much, everyone. Now you can all proceed for a tea, coffee and little networking session, followed by snacks. Thank you.